Good afternoon everybody, my name is Bone and today I'm coming back to you with another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about a fragrance which at the time when I bought it was a lot newer, but now is, I would still say it's new, but a lot more people know about it, whatever, you know, it's not quite as exciting, but who knows, I have to unbox it because I'm excited to use it myself, so yeah. Anyway, inside this, forget the snot looking paper there, is Phantom. When I bought it, like I said, it was new, really new. I bought it from the Paco Rabannes website and it came and then my PC blew up, people felt ill and it was just like, oh, okay. So yes, we're getting around to it now. I know I'm really late to the show, but actually when I bought it, I was going to be one of the first, so just saying, I'm just going to put that out there, alright? So like I said, in today's video we're talking about Phantom. Like I've already covered, when I bought it, it was really new. It was pretty hyped, new release from Paco Rabannes. And my initial impressions of the sample that I got and what I was reading on the internet, I was thinking it's going to be a new clubbing fragrance. And yeah, the bottle got a little flack, looking a little tacky. But in general, pretty well hyped. Everyone's looking forward to it. New Paco Rabannes release, they always do well. They tend to be quite popular amongst sort of the younger, sort of 18 to sort of 24. So I fall just on the borderline of that sort of range. But usually they're quite popular with everyone. A lot of people like them. They sell pretty well. So I'm kind of expecting a good standard here, really. But well, let's have a look. So here's the box it came in. I will say, bought it from the Paco Rabannes website. Bought it for around £70. It's a 100ml bottle. The one that comes with the NFC, foam tappy, malarkey stuff. Only the 100ml bottle, I believe, comes with the NFC, so that's the reason why I bought it, just for this video. There's no way I'm going to use 100ml. So, yeah, a bit of a waste, but you know, I wanted the tappy thing. I got it for 70 quid on the site because they do like a sign up to the newsletter, get 15% off your first order thing. So I did that. You get to choose a few samples to go along with your order. And yeah, my overall experience on the website was pretty good. So that's that, a mini review of the Paco Rabannes website. So let's get into the package itself. Where do we open it? Let me have a look here. You're going to have to go full ASMR mode here. Get your ears to the speaker. Oh, there we go. There we go. We're in. Paco Rabannes. Like you didn't already know who it is from. Oh. Logo's upside down. Don't know if that's what it's meant to be. Shiny cardboard. Oh, you meant to... Don't really know. Oh, okay. Look at that. Freaking talk about a cool unboxing. There's the fragrance. We'll get to that in a minute. Oh. Card thingy. Right, I will say that for some reason my fragrances came in like a separate, my samples came in like a separate sort of little mini package, so I have already looked at those, got them out. Nothing that exciting. I chose Be Stronger or whatever the frig they were, not actual like, you know, the flagship fragrances, those little Paco Rabannes special secret line crap. I just realised my microphone was on the table. So if that first part of the video sounded really bad, I am really, really sorry. See how it comes out. If it's bad, it's still going to be used because I just unboxed the fragrance and I can't do anything about it. Start off with, you got this little envelope inside, which is just your invoice really, nothing exciting. Boring. Then you get this other little envelope, which I'm guessing you can actually use for whatever you want. Inside you have Paco Rabannes thanks you for your order. Nobody cares. Phantom, notes, nobody cares. Paco Rabannes stickers, so you can look like a wannabe cool kid. Nobody cares. Nobody cares. Right, on to the actual fragrance. Nobody cares. No, we're not going to do that. So here we go. Box, shiny, traditional box. Thing there to say that it is a NFC tappy thing you can do. All my really like high-tech terminology here. I know a lot of people won't be able to comprehend it, but yes, but this has got a tappy thing on it. Batch code is where? There, right. Front is fragrance name and the brand along with the concentration and the amount, which is 100 mils, and it's an eau de toilette. Then you've got your tappy logo thing. I know terminology is absolutely on point at the minute, but yes, you've got your tappy thing there. Here again, brand, fragrance name, all that malarkey. Then on your bottom, which is there, you've got your batch code, which is 11381. So we weren't quite as fast as the Scandal, which was probably the very first batch. I don't know why, but I am going to open this at the bottom. Probably just pissed off quite a few people, but you know what? I don't care. So there we go. I thought that was actually going to have a bit of a feel, bit of a texture, but it doesn't. Right. There's nothing much to say about the box. Oh, here we go. I don't know if you can see that. Pause the video quickly if you want to read what that says. I think it's just saying you can touch my head with your phone and I'm going to download viruses, sort of thing, you know, or spy on you, something stupid. I don't actually think it's going to do that. Just full-blown water. Oh, this looks pretty cool. So there, you'll tap your phone on there and it'll take you to the website probably. It'll probably try to sell you refills or another bottle or other fragrances. But that's the top of the bottle there. And there we go. That is Paco Rabannes Phantom. I'm not gonna lie, the bottle actually feels a lot lighter than I thought it would. I thought they would have a bit more of a heavy feel, but I can't moan about that too much just because, well, probably too expensive too, but I really did wish that was going to have a bit more of a heavy feel, but it doesn't. Can the head come off? I'm not going to force that. How about we don't do that? I'll look at that later. So, start off with, we've got the tappy thing on the top, which is also the, what's it called? You've got your tappy thing on your top. Let's try this again. You've got your tappy thing on the top, tap your phone, then you've got the squeeze for the spray. Do you know what, my terminology is really bad today. Then that's the bottle with your logo, your Paco Rabannes logo, very cheaply at the front. And then you've got the name of the fragrance, concentration and size, along with your batch code, which yet again is 11381. And that's it. That is Paco Rabannes Phantom, the bottle. A lot of people say they don't like this. I, to be fair, do quite like it. I think it's a little quirky, it's a little different. I'm not gonna lie, you put this in your fragrance collection and people are gonna ask you what that is. It does stick out from the traditional just like square or rectangle or circular bottles that they have out there. Don't get me wrong, there's nothing wrong with those, but this is definitely going to be a bit of an attention grabber when someone sees your collection. But not only that, I think because it's made to look like a toy, I think it sort of goes back to the fact that it's meant to be a youthful sort of fragrance. You know, old-fashioned robot toys where only the arms and the legs move forward sort of thing. Anyway, enough blabbering here. Let's get on with this. So, now I want to see what the fragrance is. The notes in it, I'm just going to say now, are lavender, lemon and vanilla. When you look at the Fragnatical website, lavender is in every part of the fragrance. Whether or not that's actually true, I don't actually know myself. I haven't looked into it that much. But apparently it's Fragnatica it is, so yeah. I'm expecting a bit of a lavender bomb if you're looking at Fragnatica. But yes, it's meant to be lavender, lemon and vanilla. I will say this was quite nice to smell when I sprayed it from the sample. If you're lucky enough to get a sample before you bought it, then you know. Some people don't like it, some people do. So from the sample I got, I did quite like it. I thought it was quite sweet, like really quite sweet. Not as much as Scandal Pour Homme. That was kind of a sickly sweet. Nice, but a sickly sweet. This was more of a sort of... The only thing I can really put towards is sort of like the female Scandal, where that's like sweet, but like only just enough. Like that's it, you wouldn't want it any more sweet than that. Yeah, bit sweet, very youthful. Let's see if it's the same. Been a while since I actually smelt it. Quite excited. Let's have a quick look at the spray. Ready? Oh, ready, get nice and close there. I don't know if you get that. Yeah, you know what? I quite like that. First impressions are really nice. Just try off the skin. I'm going to have aggravated my nose a lot now. Just going to put that out there. Wow. Can you see what happens now? I just sprayed a load of that fragrance and it's actually making my eyes water. Christ almighty. No, but that's really nice. It's got that, you can definitely smell the lavender, but it's like a sweet lavender. Wow. Yeah. That is definitely a very youthful fragrance though. I would actually say that my first impressions of it may be a summer night, summer evening sort of fragrance, summer date night. It just seems quite airy. I don't know how to put it. It's quite aromatic to begin with, quite sweet. But then it's only got a touch of warmth from the vanilla, only a very touch. So I'd say like a summer evening would be quite nice. And it's not overpowering. Oh, I'm getting that lemon now. Wow. When that lemon comes through, it's like a punch of lemon. It doesn't like ease in. It's like, ooh, bam, lemon. Oh, I'm getting that lemon now. And when it comes through, it's like a smack of lemon. It's not like just a gentle easing. It's like, yo, here's a sweet lavender. Then all of a sudden, a train of lemon just comes and just barges it down. It's like, yo, I'm here now. What's good? And now, that was quite quick actually. I'm getting that vanilla, which is like a warm sort of whiskey vanilla or rum vanilla. That's quite nice. I quite like that. I will say that that's probably changed though actually. You're gonna definitely say wear out the evening. Gonna say probably more autumny, maybe not summer. See, I don't know. I really don't know. That's like it's complicated. Do you know what? We're just gonna stick it. You can wear it in whatever season you like, as long as it's a cool evening. That's all. That's all I'm gonna say. Bam, done. You want to be a young dude who's maybe going to a club or a pub. Smelling it now, I'm getting that vanilla. I had a punch of lemon. I would definitely actually change my mind about this, and I would probably say we want to make that an evening date night young man sort of scent. I would say definitely it fits within that range of sort of their traditional, you know, their traditional youthful scents that they've got. I think that's right up there with them. That's what they're going for. They're going for that young bloke who's gone on a date night or to the pub, going clubbing, whatever. That is who it's for. It's nice. It's more wintry than, say, Invictus or something like that. That's more of a, you know, I'd say a summer date night scent for me. This is definitely more of a sweeter autumn, early winter date night scent from Paco Rabannes. I think it's actually quite nice. I would say vanilla could be toned down a little bit. It seems a little bit too vanilla-y, but overall it's quite nice. Got no complaints. I reckon it's going to sell a lot just because it's a quirky bottle. And to be fair, Paco Rabannes fragrances usually do. They sell a whole load and then everyone gets sick and tired of them. Nobody likes them anymore. Paco Rabannes sucks, blah, 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 blah. They come up with a new scent. Oh my god, they're amazing again. Anyway, that's just the circle of life when it comes to Paco Rabannes fragrances. They're really popular to begin with. Huge date night scents, huge compliment getters. This will probably be a good compliment getter as well. But you are going to smell it a lot. Wouldn't be surprised if after Christmas, every time you want a night out, that's all you're smelling is the vanilla and the lemon from this scent. That's just what the dance floor is going to be filled with. It's just lemons wrapped in vanilla. That's all. After Christmas, I will say this is probably going to be really, really popular. So if you're going to wear it, I wear it now. Because after that, the dance floors are going to be filled with lemon and vanilla smelling chads. That's all it's going to be. Lemon and vanilla smelling chads. Gonna wear this, wear it now. I think it's gonna be a compliment getter if you're young. If not, I don't think you're gonna enjoy this. It's quite sweet, quite a lot of vanilla, and I think it's very youthful. Bottle is very youthful. That's just what Paco Rabannes does. That's Phantom. That was a really rough video. Bam, we're getting back into it. That's my excuse. Anyway, thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Oh wait, actually, hold up, wait a minute. Go to my update video and you'll find me talking about these little packages I'm going to give away. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decant 5 mils, or a few of these 5 mils, but for this video I'll give away 5 ml decant of this fragrance to one of my random subscribers who likes and comments on the video, so you can try it yourself. Alright, I'll pay for postage and packaging, be completely free. Give me a bit of time to get it out to you though, because I'm going to try and send them all at the same time. So it might be like a good few weeks from now that you'll get it. But you will get it. And the way it works is you subscribe, like and comment. Make sure I can see your subscriptions. Then inside, when this comes to your door, a little 5 ml version of the fragrance will come like this. You'll have the batch code and your ingredients, the name of the fragrance and everything. It'll be totally free, just so you can have a try of the fragrance yourself as a little thank you. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one. See you later.